Hey everyone, Kim Snyder with the API guys here. Today is a little hack for you. The issue that we are hacking is this. So when you are in Campaign Builder, if you're like me, when you are either doing training or testing, probably for you, it's mostly going to be testing of a campaign. That toolbox is always in your way. And so I would like to have a way to make that toolbox go away when I don't need it. So I'm going to show you today how to do that. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to install a script in your browser. And what that script is going to do, I will show you. That little script is going to add this button here that normally isn't here. Show toolbox, and then the toolbox appears, hide toolbox, and it goes away. And it's the same here when you're in a sequence, hide toolbox, show toolbox, back to the campaign. So that's what I am going to show you how to do. Pretty handy, huh? All right, so how we're going to do this, you're going to need two things. You are going to need a script manager, a user script manager in your browser. So for Chrome, we are going to use something called Tamper Monkey. And for Firefox, we are going to use Grease Monkey. Okay, so Tamper Monkey I already have installed. The URL, you'll find it below. You can see it already. This is just a Chrome extension. You get it out of the Chrome store, chrome.google.com, and again, we'll have the URL for this in the notes. And I've already have it added, but normally it would say download right here. And so you just download, you hit download. I think you have to restart your browser, or you at least have to refresh it, and that will put Tamper Monkey on your browser, on your Chrome browser. If you are using Firefox, we are going to use a different user script manager. We are going to use one called Grease Monkey. So, and I do not believe I have Grease Monkey installed here, so let's go ahead and install it so you can see what this looks like. So in this case, again, I will have this URL in the notes for you, but you go to the add-ons for Firefox and you find Grease Monkey, and you just click this add to Firefox button. You can see that it's downloading. We say install. It takes just a moment. It gives you a little button here to restart your Firefox, and as soon as we do that, Grease Monkey will be installed. Okay? All right. So we've got that running. That is one thing you need. The other thing that you need is you need our script that you're going to use, either Grease Monkey or Tamper Monkey, to run in your browser. And the way that you get that script is quite simple. If you are not an API Guys tribe member, then you need to go register. It's free to become a tribe member, because that is where our script libraries and cheat sheets, among many other things, live. So again, I will put the URL in the notes. It's the APIGuys.com/API-guys-tribe, and you enter this, and it will give you a Customer Hub website login that you can log into. You go to resources and then scripts, and one of the scripts you will find is the hide Toolbox script, which is the one that we are working with today. So those are the two things that you need. I'm going to assume at this point that you have both of those installed, and now I'm going to show you how to take that script, that you've installed Tamper Monkey or Grease Monkey, and that you've gotten the script, copied the script from the tribe website, and now I'm going to show you how to set them up on your browser. Okay, so I grabbed the script, I've copied it And now I'm going to add it to Grease Monkey first, and then I'll show you how to add it to Tamper Monkey. Pretty much the same. So with Grease Monkey, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here. See, this little monkey is now in your icons. So you're going to say new user script. And then rather than fill any of this out, what you're going to do is say use script from clipboard, because I do have this sitting on my clipboard. I merely say use from clipboard. Then it's going to ask me to save. So I'm going to do that. And I believe that that should do it. So what I did to confirm that is I then went here and I said manage user scripts, and that took me to this page, and you can now see hide campaign builder toolbox 1 sitting there, and it is enabled. If you wanted to disable it, then you would click this button, remove it, click that button. I don't think there are any preferences really, so we don't care about that. So it is sitting there in Grease Monkey, ready to be run. So let's do this. Let's sign into Infusionsoft real quick and see if it's working there. Okay, so here I am in another campaign, and you can see that in fact that script is running and our show toolbox button is there, which is perfect. That's what we want. So let's now go over here to Chrome, and we'll look at how that one works. So in Chrome, I already have this installed because I use it myself. But let me show you what I did to install it. All I did in Chrome was I hit this little button right here which says add, which is for adding a user script. I get rid of all of that, and then I paste my script here. I hit the little save button, and now I have two of them. So I'm going to get rid of one, but it's that easy. That is how you, I'm going to delete, remove that one so we don't have a conflict. Okay, perfect. So now I have one hide campaign builder toolbox script running. If I wanted to turn it off, I just click on it, make it red, turn it back on, and I get to that from the Tamper Monkey toolbar, which is right up here. This one with the square and the two dots. Okay, so I'm in Tamper Monkey. That is all running properly, and same thing if I go to the campaign, new hire, show toolbox, no show toolbox. Okay, so we now have both have the script installed and working in both Tamper Monkey and Grease Monkey. I hope that is helpful to some of you. If I can help you in any way, my contact information is on the screen. I will tell you I'm easier to get by email than by phone. The API guys, in case you don't know, we specialize in Infusionsoft custom development. We also do Infusionsoft training. So if you want to raise your campaign building skills to the level of the top 1%ers, I would encourage you to take a look at our Art of Campaign Building Foundations course. That's on our website. And if you're just finding us for the first time and want to get access to everything that I share on the topics of Infusionsoft and using Infusionsoft to build the sort of lifestyle business that makes it into Inc. magazine and onto the Inc. 500, 5,000, then join the API Guys tribe. It's free. The URL is on the screen. It's theapiguys.com/API-guys-tribe, and we'll see you on the inside.